Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing current region and end property of range object. First I will start with current region property. This property is very useful when range size is not fixed and requires selection which can automatically expand. So let me take an example. Let me first insert a module and start a subroutine whose name is trial. Now let me insert some numbers over here. So these are some numbers that I have inserted in the range starting from A1 to A6. Now let me select this range by current region property. So the command is range. It should start from A1 or it can start from A2 also. I am taking A1 dot current region dot select. Now let me run this code. So it is selecting the current region. Now let me add one other number over here and let me run this code. Now I have not made any changes in the code. I have just added a number in the range A7 and it is expanding the selection. Now current region can also include the empty cells. So let me give an example first. Now let me run this code. So current region is basically the range bounded by any combination of blank cell. So it can even include the blank cell that are there in the column B. Now let me take an example. Let me write a program which will color the maximum value of the dynamic range. So for that first let me remove this and the objective is to color the maximum number in the given range. So for that I have to define a variable maximum as double as double and RNG cell as range. Now I am initializing the color of cell. So cell dot interior dot color index equals to 0. So interior color is not there in any cell in sheet 1. And now I am setting the range. So range equals to range A1 dot current region. And now I am finding the maximum value in this range. Maximum equals to, so I am using the worksheet function for that. So that function is worksheet function dot max. And what is the range? Range is RNG. Now I want to color the cell which is having the maximum number. For that, I will be checking each number with the maximum number, and if that number is maximum, I will color that cell. So for each cell in range, if cell dot value equals to maximum, then I have to color it as red. So cell dot interior dot color equals to VB red, and next cell, and if, and next cell. So let me run this code. Maximum, so the maximum is 231, and it will be checking each cell, and when it reaches 231 cell, and it will color it as red, and done. Now let me add few more numbers. Let me add 500 or 620, 123, 23 was there, so 24. Now let me find the maximum number in this range. I am not making any changes in the code. It will dynamically select the range. So let me run this code. So it is checking for each cell. Here the maximum is to 620. So in this range, maximum is 620. Let me press F5. So it is coloring 620 number. Now current region will select the entire region of range. But if you want to select only specific region of range from active cell to end cell, then you can use end property of range. This is similar to control down arrow key, which will select the last cell in the range. Now let me show you what is meant by end property of range. So for that, range A11 dot end, so it will go down range A1, so from A1 it will go down, excel down, and will find the last cell and will select that cell. Now let me run this code. So it is selecting the last cell that is there in the given range. Now let me select the specific portion of this range. Let me select the region from A6 to A11. So the code for that is range, which is starting from A6, comma, range, which is starting from A6 dot end, and excel down, and dot select. Now let me run this code. So only the specific region of the range is selected. So in this video we discussed current region and end property of range object. Thank you.